Welcome back. Goa Recruitment and Employment Employees Union has decided to take the fight against the government before the public. Striking workers have increased the deadline to the government by one more day, otherwise they will go on a fast unto death. On 9th of December, the union has called for a public meeting at Azad Maidan and appealed to all the sections to join the meeting. Union has also decided to take the agitation in every constituency.
7 days have passed to the Goa Recruitment and Employment Employees Union agitation. Union has decided to give a fresh memorandum to Governor Mridula Sinha, Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar, Labour Minister Avartan Furtado and Society Chairman. Union President Advocate Ajit Singh Rane said 7 members of the committee will fast unto death if their demands are not met by Monday.
एक दिस जे आसा न्ही आमी डेडलायन ही वाडयता आनी ड्युरींग दॅट कोर्स ऑफ दॅट डेडलायन जे सगळे कॉरेस्पॉन्डंट जे आसा न्ही त्यो सगळ्यो रिफरन्स कॉपी लावन आमी फ्रेश मेमोरंडम फ्रेश रिप्रेझेंटेशन जे आसा न्ही आनी ह्यो ज्यो आमच्यो मागण्यो नटशेलान स्पेसिफीक ठोस करून ते परत एकदा सीएमाक दिता आनी मंत्रीक जे आसा मंत्रिमंडळाक जो आसा न्ही मेळपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न जातलो.
Union also decided to hold a meeting at Azad Maidan on 9th December. They have appealed all the political parties, NGOs, unions, religious leaders to take part in the public meeting. They have also decided to organize corner meetings in all 40 constituencies.
पहिली पब्लिक मीटिंग जातली, लायक मॅन्डेट आमी घेतले आनी त्याच्या दुसऱ्या दीस आमी एक कार्यक्रम करतलो म्हणजे खंयच्या खंयच्या तालुक्यान केन्ना केन्ना जी पब्लिक मीटिंग आसा न्ही ती.
Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar said that most of the employees can be absorbed step by step, but the union wants written assurance from the state government.
समजा कोण भितरले उरल्या तांकां एज रिलॅक्सेशन सगळें दिलां आतां परती एडवर्टायज आयल्या ताणें अर्ज करूंक जाय अर्ज करून थंय घेतले वतले म्हणजे तांकां प्रिफरन्स आहा 10 वर्सांचें रिलॅक्सेशन दिलां आनी कितें कितें रिलॅक्सेशन क्लॉज आसतले आनी तांकां सांगलेलें कितें स्टेप वायज ज्या जाग्यार कोण बऱ्याच वर्सां आसा भितर तांकां सगळ्यांक एब्जॉर्ब केले वतले इन ह्युमन रिसोर्स डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन बट फॉलोईंग अ प्रोसिजर यू कॅनॉट डू इट विथआउट प्रोसिजर.
रिटर्न आश्वासन जर आमकां मेळटा की तेंचे हे सॉल्व जाता तेंच्यांनी सद्या जॉईन जावनी आनी मागीर ती प्रक्रिया पूर्ण करून आमी तांकां घेता अशा पद्दतीन जर ठोस आश्वासन जर आमकां रायटींग मेळटा जाल्यार वी वोंट मायंड जॉयनिंग अ सर्वीस.
Till now, 40 striking workers have been hospitalized. Only 2 workers are still in the hospital. Others have joined back the agitation. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The visa on arrival scam at Daboli Airport was rubbished by the agents, even after they were caught on camera accepting fees up to $100 for visa on arrival. Airport Director K. Srinivas Rao said on inquiry the agents claimed that they were charging fees from guests as group landing permit. The airport authorities have now set up a special counter to facilitate visa on arrival to the tourists to the cost of $40 only as official fee.
नॉर्मली ये जो चार्जेस वो कट कर रहा था वो ग्रुप लैंडिंग परमिट का लोग कट कर रहा था. हमने उसको कहा था जो भी चार्जेस आप पैकेज के पार्ट में कट कर रहे हो एयरपोर्ट का प्रेमिसेस मत कट करो.
Airport Director said this is how the agents clarified on inquiry. But it is known that these travel agents mint money by claiming that the fees are charged by the immigration officers. Around $100 are charged for every visa facility. Now, airport authorities have set up a counter for tourists wherein $40 will be charged for visa on arrival facility.
जो वीज़ा ऑन अराइवल का जो फीस है जो गवर्नमेंट का जो फीस है जो वेबसाइट में जो है $40 पर पैसेंजर उसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन रखेंगे एयरपोर्ट पे तो उधर सबको पता चले $40 से ऊपर किसी को पे करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी वीज़ा के लिए.
But sources from immigration tell Prudent that the excess amount charged by the agents does not come to the official kitty. They have even appealed tourists not to pay anything more than $40 as group landing permit. Reporter Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.